Hi guys, welcome to WissenWorld. This channel is for the people who are interested in learning new things in science and technology. To know more and to stay connected, please visit the links in the description below.
Hello, in this video we are going to see how to install and up Atmel Studio 6 and Proteus 7. Starting with Atmel Studio 6, you can find the link below in the description. So go to this link, Atmel Studio 6.0 download. Then scroll down for the download icon and then click on it, and then again click on download now. It will download this automatically. If not, click here in the down. I am closing it as I downloaded it already, and now we are downloading Proteus 7, which installation link or download link will find below in the description. Then scroll down and click on download. It will start downloading automatically. If not, then click on the small click here. I have downloaded it, so I am closing, and now you can go to your download folder where you have downloaded the two files. I am starting with Proteus 7 installation. Click on it, wait for admin privileges, and then on next. Then I accept the license agreement, then next, then name accordingly, then next. This is our default installation part. You can change it from change button. Now click on next, then check on for all users so that all user can handle it. Now click on next and then next and wait for installation. It will be done according to your PC specs. So after installation, you will find the final page. It would be like installation successful, and then click on finish. Now we are going to install Atmel Studio 6. Click on it, run the software. As it is a heavy software, so it will be dependent upon your PC specification. It will take time, about 15 minutes or 10 minutes or less. Now wait for admin privileges, then click on install. It will install Atmel USB driver, which are essential. So wait for the prompt, and I am getting the buy button. You can get install button. So click on that and next. Then check it, default feature, click on next, and maintenance complete. Click on finish. Now this will start the final step for the Studio 6 installation on your window. So wait until you find the prompt like this. Click on next, then I accept the license agreement. Click on next. Then this is a default installation path. You can change it from browse. Click on next, then next, and wait. It will dependent upon your PC specs. I am skipping it. So associate this or not according is up to you, but I really want that you should associate the C file and H file to it and click on finish. So guys, we have successfully installed Atmel Studio 6 and Proteus 7. So we will see how to work with them in the later videos. Thank you.
If you like our work and want to learn more, please support us by giving us a like and do share the video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification whenever a new video is uploaded.